Hey everybody, Ryan Jones here, and I'm really excited to share with you the brand new free Chrome plugin for SERPrecon that lets you do a semantic analysis of any website you're visiting. So the first thing you want to do is go to serprecon.com/Chrome. You're probably already on this page if you're watching the video, and install and download it from the Chrome store. This page also has some features and our privacy policy, which is very important because we don't store anything. Great privacy policy. But there's also instructions for installation here on how to enable the plugin to use the on-device model built into Google Chrome. It'll work without this. You won't barely even notice, but you should really do this and follow these instructions to get it to work and show better results. So once you've got it installed, you can click the SERPrecon icon here, and you'll see the first thing it did is it gives you some of the relevant keywords it extracted from your page. And so, check relevance tools, share a voice, compare search results. These are some of the topics of our homepage, right? Free trial. These are some of the key topics that this page is about. But if you wanted to check a specific topic, let's go with, let's just do SEO tool. You can actually type it in here and hit check. And this will take a second to run, depending on the speed of your processor and your video card and your computer, because it's doing all this right on your machine. But what you can see is it'll give you a semantic relevance score and a title tag relevance score. These are from 0 to 100%. You're never going to get 100% unless the content of the page is identical to what you type in the query. It's just how cosine similarity works, right? If they're not the same vector, it's not going to be 100%. But you want to aim for a score generally that's 80 to 90 something percent. 70% is okay, but what we see in our trials is things that score 70% usually don't make page one. Everything on page one is in the 80s to 90% for relevance on both the title and the overall snippet and page content. And you can see here's the top matching snippet, right? For SEO tool. This is the chunk of the page that was most relevant for that tool. We also give you an AI readiness score. In this case, it says 81% of the content on the page is visible by AI, or 1% of the words on the page are visible by an AI crawler. So just a good check to have. And then up here on the basic SEO tab, we also give you some useful information because we are an SEO plugin. So you have your page title here and the number of characters, the HTTP status, H1 tag, word count, images that are missing alt attributes, internal, external link counts, the canonical tag. If I had hreflang tags on here, I would show them here, as well as all the schema types present that we found on the web page, robots meta restrictions, and page load time. So just some useful information. And if you can think of any more useful information, let us know. But hopefully you find this tool useful. It does a little bit of semantic analysis that SERPrecon does, way more in the tool, so check that out. And yeah, please, if you find it useful, leave us a review and a rating in the Chrome Web Store, and we can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you.